Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you the comparison between a code that is created by ChatGPT and a code that is created by a developer. This is a fun project that will allow you to generate random colors and change the background of your web page. First, let me show you what we're going to create. Write the command, how to create a color flipper using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript on ChatGPT search bar. Then ChatGPT generates some lines of code. When ChatGPT stops generating, then copy the HTML code and paste into your HTML file. Check your output onto the browser. Then again copy the CSS code and paste into your style.css file. Check your output onto the browser. For the last time, copy JavaScript code and paste into your script.js file, and then your final output onto the browser. Here is a simple color flipper I've created using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's start by creating the HTML for our web page. We'll need a container div, a heading, and a button that will trigger the color flipper. Here's the HTML code for that. Now let's add some basic styling to our web page. We'll center the text, give the button a background color, and add some padding. Here's the CSS code for that. Finally, we'll write the JavaScript code that will generate a random color and set it as the background of our web page. We'll do this by listening for a click event on the button, and then generating a random hexadecimal color code. Here's the JavaScript code for that. And there you have it, a simple color flipper using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Feel free to play around with the code and customize it to your liking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding tutorials and projects.